In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an array in Snowflake, and we'll cover the process step by step to ensure that you can navigate it with ease. Let's start by setting the foundation for our task, which is creating a table that includes an array column. Snowflake is a powerful platform for handling large amounts of data, and its support for arrays can really enhance the efficiency of how you manage your datasets. We need to construct our table with an array-type column, allowing us the flexibility to store multiple values in a single row, each of which can vary in type and length. To create this table, use the SQL command create or replace table, followed by our table name, array example. This statement ensures that if the table already exists, it will be replaced, which is quite handy when you're making adjustments. Inside the parentheses, we'll specify our column structure. The first column, labeled ID, is an integer, and it serves as our unique identifier for each row. The second column, which we call array column, is defined with the type array. It's important to note that the array type can store elements of any type, providing incredible flexibility. With our table structure complete, let's move on to inserting data into it. Our focus here is on using arrays, which are an excellent way to store lists of items, such as numbers, strings, or Boolean values, directly in the database. We achieve this using the insert into SQL command, followed by the table name, array example, and then specify the columns we want to insert data into, in this case, ID and array column. Now, to construct the array data, we'll use the array construct function. This function allows you to create an array by listing items you want to include, separated by commas. We then insert these into specific rows using the values keyword. Let's break down a few examples to demonstrate versatility. In our first example, we have a row with an ID of 1, inserting an array of integers, 10, 20, and 30. Notice how the array construct function makes this a seamless process. In the second example, we swap the integers for strings, inserting an array containing apple, banana, and cherry. Strings are commonly stored data types in arrays, providing an intuitive way to manage non-numeric data. Finally, let's look at a row with an ID of 3, where we insert an array of Boolean values, true, false, and null. This subtly illustrates the power of arrays to accommodate diverse data types, including handling null values effortlessly. By correctly utilizing arrays in Snowflake, you're enhancing your ability to manage complex data requirements efficiently. This tutorial aimed to equip you with clear instructions for creating, defining, and populating a table with array columns in Snowflake. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm excited to see how you leverage this feature to supercharge your data operations.